Here is how to enable or disable activity status on TikTok. So let's go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Activity Status, which is between direct messages and reuse of content. It is available in the section of interactions. Go ahead and select it. In my case, I have set my activity status to friends. You have three different options like public, friends, and no one. You can choose who can see you're active on TikTok. So if you go ahead and choose public, anyone on TikTok will be able to see your activity status. And if you select friends, the followers you follow back or your friends on TikTok will see your activity status, and you'll also see each other's activity status only if both of you set it to public or friends. And if you select no one, nobody will be able to see your activity status, but you can see the activity status of the users who has set their account to public. So select one that you prefer and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.